Thank you, Ashley.
And let's get back to meteorologist Sam Schreier now with this weather alert.
Yeah, and the weather alert today is about the wind. That's the big thing that we have to cover in the weather department. Dangerous wind gusts today and some slightly elevated fire danger. So with the winds, gusting today could be from 50 miles per hour up to 70 miles per hour at the worst. But the strongest gusts are probably more so in that 50 to 60 mile per hour range. Now, anything over 54, 55 is when we do start to worry about semi-trucks flipping over. You catch enough gust, especially against the lighter load on a truck, it can really easily knock its back end right over. Now, the warmer and dry conditions we're seeing today will actually get even better through the weekend, and we do have a small chance of rain or snow next Tuesday. Let's go ahead and look at the hour-by-hour forecast. We are going to see those temperatures rise, and so will the wind gusts. Gusting today in Colorado Springs could get right up near 60 miles per hour at the lunch hour, and in Pueblo, still very windy, but it's probably going to be a little windier the closer you get to the Palmer Divide. And even in El Paso County, I think eastern El Paso County is probably where some of those worst wind gusts are going to fall. Now, currently, it's not bad. We've got wind gusts up and down the interstate that are fairly light, but a little stronger out across Lyman and that Kansas border so far this morning. Let's go ahead and show you what it'll do later. Today, we will turn this cold air mass from the 20s and 30s back up into the 50s. So with all of that wind today, we do start to get at least a little bit more comfortable to be outside. Now, tomorrow, even warmer air kicks in with high temperatures pretty widespread in the 60s, and yes, some 70s start to make a return. But today, let's talk about the wind. I went with a 4 on the storm impact scale for Colorado Springs. We are looking at a weather alert, and the reason we went with a 4 is because anything over 50 or 55 is when you start to worry about damaging winds. In fact, that gets to the criteria where severe thunderstorm warnings kick in. 50 to 70 mile per hour gusts are possible. Mile per hour gusts are possible, especially for those of you east of the interstate. Highway 24 and Highway 94 eastbound for semi-trucks would be my two big concerns, but the whole city will be windy today. Now, the nice thing is the winds really cut back over the next few days. It's just kind of breezy to windy tomorrow, and we get a lot warmer through the weekend. In Pueblo, we are going to see temperatures in the 70s through Thursday and Friday, 80s going into the weekend, and we have a chance of scattered rain showers next Tuesday. But Pueblo is part of the wind warning today, so gusting could hit over 50 miles per hour. Canyon City, windy, but nowhere near as windy as I-25 and east. So we're going to be gusty. We're going to have a breeze tomorrow, but super nice weather over the weekend. Woodland Park will be dry, but it's a little breezy today, 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts, and we're looking at a snow chance next Tuesday. Let's go to traffic.